10 most beautiful places to visit in Sri Lanka. The island nation of Sri Lanka has lot to offer despite its small geographic size. Sri Lanka's culture dates back over 2500 years and it is a derivative of Hindu and Buddhist tradition primarily. The Sinhalese and the Tamil culture are the most dominant culture of the country. The country offers scenic beaches and impeccable mountains, which are covered with lush forest due to tropical climate of the region. Here are the 10 best places to explore in Sri Lanka. Nalanda Gedige, situated 20 km off Matale town. Nalanda Gedige is a hybrid of Buddhist and Hindu temple architecture. Nalanda provides a masterpiece of sculptural tradition of Buddhist arts, constructed in between 8th to 10th century AD. For a walk back in time, visit the magnificent Nalanda Gedige and enjoy the masterstrokes of the then artist. Knuckles Mountain Range. The Knuckles Mountain Range lies in central Sri Lanka, in the districts of Matale and Kandy. The range takes its name from a series of recumbent folds and peaks in the west of the massif, which resembles the knuckles of the clenched fist when viewed from certain locations in the Kandy district. Tangale, magnificent waves and surfing experience. Tangale is the beach to visit in Hambantota district located in southern province. The beach is equally famous for its sandy shores, leaning palms and its deep turquoise water. The range has high variety of flora and fauna and is home to significantly higher proportion of country's biodiversity. Lipton's Seat. The Lipton Seat lookout is one of the Sri Lanka's most impressive viewpoints. The Scottish tea baron Sir Thomas Lipton used to survey his burgeoning empire from here, and today it is said you can see across Emerald Hills and tea estates to no fewer than 7 different provinces. The Lipton Seat can be reached by hiking from the Dambatane Tea Factory. Tanhinda Falls, also known as Bridal Falls. Tanhinda Falls is located about 5 km from Badulla town. It has been termed as one of the most beautiful waterfalls of Sri Lanka because of its 64-meter height. The Nine Arch Bridge Ella. Located in dense jungle, the Nine Arch Bridge Ella is on the Demodara Loop and spans 91 meters at the height of 24 meters. The bridge provides the view of blooming forest and tea leaves cultivation. The unique part about the bridge is that it is built entirely from the rocks, bricks and cement with no use of steel and metals throughout the structure. Pidurangala Rocks. The massive rock formation from the remains of extinct volcanoes. Pidurangala is peppered with caves and little cells, equally known as meditative retreat. Pidu provides a stunning view of rolling lake and land vistas. It is believed that monastery here date back to the reign of King Kasapa. Dambula Cave Temple. Situated in the central part of the country, Dambula Cave Temple is equally known as Golden Temple of Sri Lanka. Spread over 5 caves, this temple contains statues, paintings related to Gautama Buddha and his life. Vilpattu National Park. Vilpattu National Park is situated in northwest coast of Sri Lanka, approximately 180 km from Colombo. The park stands unique as it has nearly 60 natural lakes spread throughout, making it the largest park in Sri Lanka. Enjoy the wildlife of Vilpattu with the presence of 49 leopards between the months of February to October. Trincomalee. Trincomalee sits on one of the world's finest natural deep-water harbors, having a spiritual as well as commercial importance. Trinco is located 257 km off Colombo. Swimming, diving and whale watching are termed as best things to do in Trincomalee. Sri Lanka's rich culture and biological diversity is best explored in the months between November and February, when the temperatures are relatively lower. The tropical rainforest and the stunning beaches of country are best enjoyed with a pint of beer and traditional Sri Lankan food.